How to fix Epic Games Launcher not opening? First step, open up Task Manager, search for Epic Games Launcher. If it's running in background means you need to end the task completely. Search Epic Games Launcher and Epic Web Helper. Search it and end the task. Then move on with next step. Search for run and type the following text. Percentage local app data percentage and click enter. Search for Epic Games Launcher. Click it. Click saved folder. Delete the web cache folder. Then move on with next step. Right click Epic Games Launcher. Click properties. Click compatibility. Enable run the program as administrator. Click apply and OK. Click settings. Click system settings. Click storage settings. Wait for some times. Once it's loading after, click the temporary files. Click it. Check and verify the files and click remove. Come back. Enable the storage sense. If it's disabled means you need to enable it and move on with next step. Open up this PC. Make sure you have enough memory space, around 10 to 20 GB free up space. Then click properties, click tools, click check and scan the drive. Wait for some time, it's actually scanning your files in your device. If there is any corrupted file having means it will remove it. Once complete after it will throw up the message successfully scanned. Close it and move on with next step. The last and final step, search for device manager. Click it. Click display adapters. Update the drivers. Right click, click update drivers. You can update the driver by using this method or else go to the official website of the drivers, download and install the latest version. Thank you.